Hello everyone, I hope that you all are safe and sound. In the previous video, in the part 1, we have done about what is the latitude of India, what is the longitude of India, what is Tropic of Cancer, what is equator. India is divided into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. I hope so that you have seen that video. If you have not seen, just check that out. And now we'll move on to our next topic. Now, our next topic is what is standard time, right? So look at very carefully. What is standard time? What is standard time? Standard time is synchronization of clocks of the country to a local time so that there is no confusion, right? If we take the example of the India also, right? See, this is India. India lies easternmost longitude is 97 degree 25 east and westernmost longitude is 68 degree 7 east. So you can see there is a difference of around 29 degrees. So you can see that if the sun is rising here at certain time x, so at the same time the sun is not rising here. If the sun is rising on x time, so at 68 degree the sun will not rise at the same moment. There would be a time difference. If the sun is rising here at 6 a.m. If the sun is rising here at 6 a.m., the sun will not rise here at 6 a.m. Why? Because the sun needs time to travel from this place to this place. Right? So there is a confusion. There would be a confusion in the same country. There would be a confusion in the same country, right? For example, if your friend is living here and one of your friend is living here, okay? One of your friend lives here and one of your friend lives here. This boy calls this boy at 6 a.m. How are you? This boy picks up the call. Hey, at what time you are calling? Without the standard time. He says that it's around 4 a.m. here. There is a difference. There is a confusion. If this could be business, it could be very harsh or it could create a very deep confusion among the people. So, to remove that confusion, we have taken the standard time so that there is no confusion in the country. So, let me tell you first, from here to here, there is around difference of 2 hours. How can we calculate it? This is a longitude of 97 degrees and here it is 68 degrees. So if we less it, 29 degrees is difference, and the sun requires 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. The sun travels 1 degree in 4 minutes. There is a difference of 29 degrees. We have calculated just now. There is a difference of 116 minutes, around 2 hours. So we can easily calculate. If we have been given the different longitudes, we can easily calculate the standard. We can easily calculate the difference between the different points at different longitudes. Okay. Now we have taken the standard time at 82 degree 30 east. We have taken the standard meridian at 82 degree 30 east at Mirzapur. Why we have taken this? Because every country was dividing. Its longitudes and latitudes at 7 degree 30. Okay, so we have also divided our latitude and longitude from 7 degree 30 east and it came to 82 degree and 30 east, and it is almost from half of our country, so it is most suitable to us. So we have taken this 82 degree 30 east at Mirzapur. Okay. Now, listen to it. We have the Indian landmass. Indian landmass is a central location. The people coming from the east and the west also, the people who are coming from the east, the people who are coming from the east, and the people who are coming from the west. India is a prime location, central location. India is a big economy, so people wants to do the business. So India lies on the central location between the east and the west. India is a southward extension of the Indian Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and countries in the east, provides a strategic central location of India. Note the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with the West Asia. So we have a very close contact with the West Asia and East Asia. And Indian Ocean is the only ocean which has been given name. Indian Ocean is the only ocean which has been given name after the country, that is Indian Ocean. In the whole world, Indian Ocean is the only ocean which has been given the name on the country name. We have also the Suez Canal, which connects India to Europe. Before that, we have to go from the Africa to Europe. If we have to go from India to Europe, we have to go to Africa to move on to the Europe. So it was a big distance. So after the opening of Suez Canal, the distance between the India and Europe has been reduced to 7,000 kilometers. Right? Let me show you. See this. I hope so this is visible to you. You can see this. This is India. This is India. If we have to go from this point to Italy, before the opening of Suez Canal, we have to come from this side to this side, and then to this side. Okay, you can see we are coming from this side to this side. Then we are going inside, and we will reach Italy. So it would be a big distance. So after the opening of Suez Canal, here is Suez Canal. Here is Suez Canal. We can come from here, and we can come to this side and come to Italy. So this reduced the distance by 7,000 kilometers. You can see this is Suez Canal. You can see from here the canal starts. This is the canal, you can see. I will also show you the pictures of it right now. Just after that, you can see this is the canal. This reduced the distance by 7,000 kilometers. Okay, and 7,000 kilometers is a big. You can see how the ships move from here to there. The path is narrow, but it reduces the distance by 7,000 kilometers. You can see this. This is how the ship moves. So the fuel is also saved, and everything is also saved. Time is saved. Now we can see this. India has a contact with the world from the ancient ages. We can see that India have a contact. Have you seen the Ramayana? Have you seen the other books in which it has been discussed? In many Upanishads, Panchtantra stories, it has been discussed that India has a close contact with the other countries, right? So we have also known about the different things. We know about the different products of the countries, right? Do you remember it? We have seen the product of different countries. In class 8, you have studied about that. When the Arabic came with the coffee, they took the spices from here. In Italy, the black pepper price was 21 times more than the Indian black pepper. So the merchants from India took the black pepper full of ships. They took the black pepper from India, which was 21 times cheaper than the other countries. Okay, so we have the Indian neighbors. If we talk about it, that India is well connected with the neighboring countries as well through the land routes and the maritime routes, but the land routes are more ancient than the sea routes. India is well connected to the countries today. In the west, in the east, in the northeast, in the south. In the south, we have the island neighbors Maldives, Sri Lanka. In the east, we have a neighbors of Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar. In the northeast, we have China, and in the northwest, we have Pakistan, Afghanistan. So we have the different neighboring countries which are connected by the land as well as the sea. And the India and Sri Lanka is separated by a narrow channel that is known as Palk Strait or Gulf of Mannar. I hope so you have got the chapter. We have covered almost every topic of the chapter. If you have some problems still, you can contact me directly. Okay? Thank you everyone. Bye bye.